Okay, this is second tutorial. Let me create a new Jupyter notebook. Okay, Python 3, that's fine. Let me change the name to be tutorial number 2. So first one, I'm going to talk about the variable. Then hopefully I can deal with the assignment. So the variable means you can store the values to system memory. Normally we call it as a RAM, read access memory. So if you look at here, 45 plus 72, then here if you can remember the shortcuts, okay, set the actual value is actually 117, okay. We can do the same thing, okay. You can continue to use it. So here, let me say x is 45, enter, y is 72. So we are saying 45, value 45 is saved to memory location where it's represented as x. Okay, this is what we call as a variable, and then y for values 72. Then you can type x and then y. Then you can go here, and then here it says that invalid text. Okay, because I forgot to put 72. Okay, run it again. Now it said x and y is 72. Okay, so if you look at x, it will say 45. Okay, so what we're going to do is what about x plus y? Okay, it said 117, which is correct. So normally you say x plus y, we save it to some, let's say total. Okay, we introduce another variable called total, and then press it here. Of course, it doesn't do anything. We have to say total, then say 117. So this total is the variable, and x and y is also variable, is holding 117. Okay. So that equal sign, we say assignments. What you have on the right hand side, assigned to left hand side. So 45 assigned to x, 72 assigned to y, and then x plus y, which is referring to 45 plus, that's the plus symbol, y 72. So 45 plus 72 assigned to total. Okay, so if we type total here and then enter key here, okay, shift enter, then it will give you 117. Okay, let me give you some idea. When you name your variable, you cannot start with the number. Okay, if you start a number, will complain. Syntax error, invalid decimal literals. Okay, you can use the A, B, C, D letters and then digits. Okay, like let's say number total 1 is okay. That's, let's say here 1, same output. Okay, putting number at the end or the middle is okay. I don't know, it doesn't make sense, but let's say if we put number 3, for example, it's unusual. Oh, okay, total is not defined. It's not defined. So let me go back here. Go back here. Now it says it is. Okay, so you may need to select here and then run the selected cells. Okay, set 117. That's correct. Let me remove. You can use the underscore. Okay, like a total numbers, for example. Okay, numbers, because you like to see what's inside. Let me select this area, then here. 117. If you are not sure, just put 1 more 0. say 765. That's the correct one. Okay. So this is how you use a variable, but don't forget you're not allowed to use numbers at the beginning. Okay. I think we'll stop here to make it short. Okay.